Alrighty, y'all. Now that I have got most of my ingredients here on my Hababichi for this Tex-Mex classic, I'm just coming in with some of my taco seasoning, and I'm gonna do a little sprinkle of this all over. We've got our corn, our fajita vegetables, we've got some chips, we've got our black-eyed peas, our rotel, and we've got our meat here, ground beef, taco seasoning. Beautiful. All right, I'm coming in with my enchilada sauce, and these are gonna be Christmas colors, both green and red. Oh, look at that, beautiful. You can stick to one color if you like. Coming in with my flippers, I'm gonna start breaking up our center here. We want all of this gooiness. Look at, you can just add it in there. We're all gonna come together, mix real nice. You can break up your chips smaller if you like, if you prefer. I like to just crunch them as part of my entire dish here, just like that. But y'all, this is such an easy, great way to feed a crowd. It's spring break, the summer's coming up. There's gonna be so many occasions to get together with your family and friends, and this is the perfect thing to make and treat them and yourself to. All right, we've just got this smoothed into a beautiful, even layer here. Now I'm just coming in with my Mexican style blend cheese. We're just gonna be putting this right on top. You could do a crust of chips on top if you'd like as well, to beneath the cheese. But right now I'm just doing cheese because we're kind of watching our carbs. But this is gonna be so delicioso. Woo! And this was a 4-pound bag. Just gonna break this up and spread it out a little bit. You can use, if you want to do this with a different style, maybe not Mexican, you can always use a different kind of cheese, plain old cheddar, make it like mom's meatloaf. The possibilities are endless, and that is what I love about cooking outdoors on the Hababichi. There's really so many uses and so much fun to be had. All right, I'm gonna close the lid and I'm gonna just let this cook for about 30 minutes. All right, guys, look how delicious and amazing this is looking. Now you could chop this with some green onion, some fresh cilantro. I'm gonna use dried because that's what I've got, but you can use whatever speaks to you. Yum. Oh my goodness. Our taco bake Hababichi casserole. When we get under here, we've got those chips in there to make it a nice hearty, that ooey gooey cheese pull. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is looking so good. Tex-Mex, all day. Look, this is perfect. You can make this for your mom for Mother's Day. Memorial Day is coming up. All kinds of great holidays to share with family and friends. Oh, hot a little bit. Y'all, you gotta try it.